Manufacturing is the backbone of any industrialized nation. It always has been. It involves designing, producing, and delivering goods. This sector is constantly evolving. Innovation is crucial for its survival. In today's fast-paced world, companies must adapt to stay competitive. They need to embrace new technologies. These technologies increase efficiency and productivity. They also lead to the creation of new and improved products. The manufacturing landscape is changing rapidly. Companies that fail to innovate risk falling behind. It is no longer business as usual. To thrive in this dynamic environment, embracing innovation is paramount. It is the key to unlocking new possibilities. Emerging technologies are transforming the manufacturing sector at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of this revolution. AI enables machines to learn from vast amounts of data, improving their efficiency and capabilities. These intelligent machines can make complex decisions without any human intervention. This autonomy has led to the development of smart factories, which are highly efficient and adaptive. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another game changer in the industry. IoT connects devices and machines over the Internet, creating a seamless network. This connectivity allows for real-time data collection and analysis, enhancing decision-making processes. As a result, manufacturers can optimize their operations, reduce downtime, and increase productivity. Three-dimensional printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing production processes by enabling rapid prototyping. It allows for the creation of complex designs with incredible precision and minimal waste. This technology has the potential to disrupt traditional manufacturing methods and supply chains. These advanced technologies are not just buzzwords or futuristic concepts. They are being actively implemented by leading companies worldwide, transforming the global manufacturing landscape. Companies like Siemens, Boeing, and Tesla are at the forefront of this technological revolution. Siemens, a global technology powerhouse, is using AI and IoT to create digital twins of its factories. This allows for real-time monitoring and optimization of production processes. Boeing, the aerospace giant, is leveraging three-dimensional printing to manufacture aircraft parts. These parts are lighter, stronger, and more cost-effective than those made using traditional methods. Tesla, the electric vehicle manufacturer, is known for its highly automated factories. Robots work alongside human workers to assemble cars with speed and precision. These examples highlight the transformative power of emerging technologies in manufacturing. Section 4. Benefits and challenges of technological advancement. The adoption of these technologies brings numerous benefits. Efficiency is greatly increased, allowing for more streamlined operations. Tasks can be automated, reducing the risk of human error and ensuring consistent quality. This leads to higher productivity and reduced costs, making businesses more competitive. Another significant advantage is faster production times, which can meet market demands more effectively. Products can be designed and manufactured more quickly, reducing lead times and accelerating innovation. However, challenges come with these advancements, and they cannot be overlooked. Implementation costs can be high, often requiring significant investment. Not all companies have the resources to invest in new technologies, creating a disparity. Additionally, there is a growing skills gap that needs to be addressed. The workforce needs to be trained to operate and maintain these advanced systems, which can be a time-consuming process. Despite these challenges, the long-term benefits far outweigh the costs, leading to a more efficient and innovative future. Section 5. The future of making things, a transformation underway. The future of manufacturing is exciting and full of potential. We can expect to see even more automation, with robots taking on tasks that were once thought impossible. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will continue to play a pivotal role, optimizing processes and predicting maintenance needs before they arise. Factories will become smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable, integrating green technologies to reduce their environmental footprint. Nanotechnology and biotechnology will further revolutionize manufacturing, opening up new possibilities for innovation. Nanomaterials will lead to the creation of lighter, stronger, and more durable products, enhancing performance and longevity. Biotechnology will enable the production of bio-based materials, which are not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly. These materials are biodegradable and sustainable, contributing to a circular economy. The manufacturing industry is on the cusp of a new era, driven by technological advancements. It is an era defined by innovation, automation, and sustainability, where new ideas are constantly being brought to life. By embracing these technologies, companies can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness, staying ahead in the global market. The future of manufacturing is bright, and it is being shaped by the technologies of today, paving the way for a more innovative and sustainable tomorrow.